In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dsers with Shopify. If you want a simple way to connect your Shopify store with AliExpress suppliers and streamline your dropshipping workflow, Dsers is a popular tool for doing exactly that. The setup is fairly straightforward and once everything is connected properly, it can save you a lot of time managing products and fulfilling orders. To get started, go to the Dsers sign-up page and create a free account. During the setup process, choose your e-commerce platform, which in this case is Shopify, and then authorize the connection so the app can be installed on your store. After that, you'll be prompted to log into your AliExpress account so you can link your supplier account to Dsers. This connection is important because it allows Dsers to communicate between your store and the supplier side of the business. Once your accounts are connected, the next step is importing products. One option is to install the Dsers Chrome extension, which makes it easier to import products directly while you browse. Another option is to use the Find Suppliers feature inside the Dsers dashboard. This lets you search for products by keyword or even by image, which can be very useful if you're trying to locate trending items or similar alternatives. When you find a product you want to sell, click Add to Import List to save it for review. After that, go to your import list inside Dsers. This is where you can customize the product before it goes live in your Shopify store. Take time to edit the title, description, variants, and pricing so the listing fits your brand and store style. This step matters because supplier listings often need cleaning up before customers see them. Once you're happy with the product page, click Push to Store to publish it directly to your website. Next, make sure your products are mapped correctly. In your Dsers dashboard, open My Products and select Mapping. This connects the products in your store to the correct AliExpress suppliers and helps ensure that variants like size or color match correctly when a customer places an order. Proper mapping is essential for avoiding errors later in the fulfillment process. Finally, when a customer places an order in your store, that order will automatically sync to the Open Orders tab in Dsers. Then go to the Awaiting Order tab, select the orders you want to fulfill, and click Order. From there, confirm the payment on AliExpress. Dsers also makes it possible to pay for multiple customer orders at once, which is a big time saver. Once the supplier ships the item, the tracking number will automatically update and sync to your customer's order receipt. And that's how to use Dsers with Shopify from setup to fulfillment.